Hello and welcome to another English lesson with me, Beth, and today we are talking about the prepositions at, on and in when we are talking about time. So we use the preposition at when we are talking about a time of day. So for example, at 4 o'clock, at 12:45, at midday, at lunchtime or at dawn. We also use it for the following expressions: at night, at the weekend or at weekends, at Christmas, Easter or Halloween, at the moment, at the present time, and at the same time. We use on when we're talking about specific days or dates. So on Friday or on Fridays, on 20th of February 1987, on Christmas Day, on her birthday, or on Monday afternoon or on Monday afternoons. Notice that when we are talking about days, sometimes we can miss out the preposition on. So we can say see you on Friday or simply see you Friday. I go to my parents on Mondays or I go to my parents Mondays. We use the preposition in when we are talking about longer periods of time. For example, in spring, summer, autumn and winter, in October, in the winter, in 2012, in the 20th century, in the past or the future, and in the 80s. Also for the following expressions: in the morning or mornings, in the afternoon and in the evening, and then also for after a duration of time has passed, so in a few minutes, in a week, in a moment, and in a week's time. We don't use the prepositions at, in, or on before the words last, next, this, and every. So we say, I'll see you next Monday, not I will see you on next Monday. They got divorced last May, not they got divorced in last May. And I eat sandwiches every lunchtime, not I eat sandwiches at every lunchtime. So here is all that information in table form. We have the preposition at. It's used for specific times, like at 5 o'clock, at noon, at midnight. Festivals or holidays without day, so at Christmas and at Easter. And certain expressions like at the weekend, at night, and at the moment. We use the preposition on for talking about specific days, so on Monday, on my birthday, on New Year's Day. Specific dates, on July 4th, on December 25th, and specific days plus morning, afternoon, evening and night. So for example, on Saturday morning and on Friday night. And we use the preposition in when talking about months, so in April, in November, years, in 2025, in 1999, centuries, in the 21st century or in the 1800s, periods of time, so in the morning, in the afternoon and in the evening, and in a certain time in the future, so in an hour or in a few days. I hope you found that quick video useful and interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!